Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man. So, I know that I've been complaining about my helmet in some of my moto vlogs. That's why I haven't actually been uploading a lot of moto vlogs. Now that I bought the camera, I've got a lot of really good equipment to be doing moto vlogging. One of my problems has been my helmet. So the helmet that I'm currently using is this sedici or sedici, however you want to pronounce it. What model is this one? This is, I want to say it's the Strada or the Strama. So this one is the Sistema 2. It's a modular helmet. I was hoping that this would be quiet helmet. I've got a Scorpion modular. It's a little old now, but I never had any issues with that helmet on the road or anything like that, or with any kind of wind noise. This thing, no matter what I do to try to seal it up or anything like that, it still leaks a lot of air, and it's just really loud on the freeway, and makes it really hard to talk to you guys. It's very distracting. So this helmet is currently set up with my Coyote talk, which I've got the boom mic in here. And of course I've got my chin mount for my GoPro, or in this case it's a for the DJI Action 4. It's not actually a chin mount one, it's just a regular mount. But with that being said, I went ahead and looked at a couple different helmet options. So I've been asking around trying to figure out what helmet to get, and I was going through a bunch of different options, and I narrowed it down to the Ruroc Exo helmet, which there's a lot of them out there. You know, almost every YouTuber's got one. They've really updated their safety and everything on them, so the new Exos are supposed to be really good helmets. And of course the 509 helmets. So personally, I decided to go with a 509. They do offer a military discount and everything, so I was able to get a discount with it. But on top of that, 509 is actually a hometown brand for me from Spokane, Washington. So I grew up with, 509 snow gear, goggles, stuff like that, stuff that they sold locally there. So the fact that they have motorcycle helmets now is really cool. So the box that came in is just a big brown box. I'm going to go ahead and open that real quick. So this is a double packaged box here. Try to. All right. So this is the inside box. It's got this really nice glossy 509 logo on it. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. Alright, so I've not actually seen any kind of unboxings for their motorcycle helmets. I've seen some of their snow gear and stuff like that. But this side of the box comes with this really nice 509 branded carry bag for your helmet. Usually when I buy helmets, they just come with a little sacks that they kind of go in. So this is really nice, especially if you're going to be traveling and you want to take your helmet with you. That's really cool. All right, inside that bag. Unfortunately, my table here is dirty, so I'm probably going to be getting dirt all over this. So it comes in a helmet bag that's really nice. This is a lot thicker than a lot of the other helmet bags that I've gotten. Like even my Scorpion and stuff like that are really thin bags. just gonna set this here to keep the helmet clean. Oh man, look at that beautiful carbon fiber. So this is all hand-laid carbon fiber. So this one's large. Oh, I really like that helmet. So let's take a look here. Okay. So it looks like it's got a really good seal. It's a really heavy duty rubber gasket, so hopefully that'll keep out some of the wind noise. So this will be inherently louder than if I'd gotten one made out of like a polycarb shell or something like that, because of the lightweightness of carbon fiber. They do tend to be a little bit louder, which is counterintuitive to what I want, but I'm hoping that it's still quieter than the helmet that I just got, or that I just replaced. So it says 509 on it, carbon fiber. So one thing that I don't think this has, yeah, so this helmet, one thing it does not have a sunglass visor that drops down. So let's, take it or leave it, but in this case, I think I'll be just fine without it. So let's go ahead and try this on real quick. All right, now you guys are all gonna watch me rip my head off with this helmet. So, oh, the other thing, let's see. So the other thing that's kind of cool about this helmet here is it doesn't have a standard, D-ring buckle on it. It's got what they call a FIP lock, which is pretty cool. So you've got this little red lever here right now. You just pull it, it just comes down real easy. But it's supposed to be very, very secure while you're wearing it and riding with it. And to get it to disengage, you basically have to pull out on it. But it's just a magnetically sealed lock. So I'm excited about that because I use quick ratcheting locks on all my other helmets. So let's go ahead and try to fit this on, see if the large fits me. All right. Oh, on that side. Okay, that's actually a really nice fit. So it's a little snug in the cheeks, which is fine. It'll break in over time. That's kind of where I started running into issues with my other helmet over there, is when the break-in period kind of happened, it just got really loose, like it just kept moving around on my head. So, but this one, oh, this is nice. This is light too. I really like this. All right, so I will do another video in the future where I install all my Cardo stuff, see how all that fits in here. Actually, I don't even know if you can fit Cardo in this. That might be a issue, guys. So it does not look like I'm not feeling any cutouts for speakers in here. But that is something that we will address in the future, so this may just end up being a race helmet for me. But other than that, I really like it. Also, this helmet is only like $400. Again, this is the Mach 3, so they do have a Mach 5 and a Mach, I want to say it's just a Mach 5 and the Mach 5 Commander right now also, as well as a budget-friendly option. It's like $200. But I wanted the carbon fiber, and I really like how this looks. It also comes in white with carbon fiber accents, also being carbon fiber. That looks really nice as well. So, but again, this is just kind of a quick unboxing and first look at this. And again, this is the Mach 3 from 509. And like I said, in the future, we will get the mounts put on here so that we can put the camera on it and the microphone and the we'll look at putting on the Cardo system. But again, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.